To secure absolute power, a royal family orchestrated one of the bloodiest purges in history. Hundreds of royal princes and princesses were locked in red velvet sacks and beaten to death so their blood wouldn't touch the sacred earth. This was the brutal rise of Burma's last king, Thibaw Min, a ruler whose reign began in a bath of blood and ended in a humble ox cart. For centuries, the Konbong dynasty ruled independent Burma with divine authority. But in 1885 the British Empire came knocking, determined to finish off the kingdom. King Thibaw's army crumbled in days. In a final, ultimate humiliation, the British forced the God King and his queen out of their golden palace and into a crude wooden ox cart, parading them past their weeping subjects straight into exile. The British shipped the royal family thousands of miles away to Ratnagiri, a hot, humid coastal town in India. Stripped of his crown, the former sovereign lived in virtual house arrest. Here, the divine monarch spent the next 30 years playing endless games of billiards, arguing with British bureaucrats over his meager pension, and writing pathetic letters to Queen Victoria asking for a larger allowance. As the years dragged on, the tragedy turned into a bizarre soap opera. The royal princesses, trapped in exile with no eligible princes left in the world, began falling in love with commoners. The eldest princess caused an absolute imperial scandal by eloping with the family's Indian footman and driver. The strict Victorian rulers of India were horrified, exposing the complete decay of a once mighty royal bloodline. King Thibaw died in exile in 1916, never seeing his homeland again. His golden kingdom was swallowed by the British Empire, leaving behind only the ghost of an absolute monarchy. Subscribe to After the Crown for more untold stories of history's fallen rulers.